the Back to Eden garden method, which is, long story short, is this. You cover your grass with cardboard, a thick layer of cardboard, like 2 sheets would be even better than 1. It's worth it because you don't want to be fighting the Bermuda. And then cover that with a foot of wood chips. Now let's talk about wood chips for a second. Please do not buy them at a store. You're going to waste your money. You can get them for free from a lot of places. Norman has a compost facility you can get them for free from. I've heard Midwest City has one. I know Oklahoma City has wood chips after Christmas time because they pull in all the Christmas trees. So there's a number of places. There's a website, getchipdrop.com. It's called Chip Drop. If you search for that, it'll let you sign up with local landscapers, and whenever they have something they've cut down, they have a huge load of wood chips, they'll find someone that's on that website and come bring it and drop it off at your house. So, and they'll jump a giant load. I mean, it took us 3 days of like 4 hours a day to move that load of wood chips. We have a time-lapse video on our YouTube showing. It was huge. But it was fun. It was good exercise. It made my Apple Watch really happy that day, so it worked out. But yeah, so that's the idea, is you just cover those the cardboard with a foot of wood chips, and what happens is worms come up and start to eat the cardboard, all that starts to decompose, the wood chips start to decompose, start to compost, and within a couple of years, you've got really good soil. So our yard now, where we had like all around these wood chips, is really good fertile soil, and we're starting to plant stuff directly in that all around. So our strategy is basically this: in the wood chips and in around the raised beds, we're doing perennial long-term stuff. Fruit trees, fruit bushes, perennial herbs, oregano, rosemary, all sorts of stuff like that. And then in these beds, we're doing annual crops like spinach or broccoli or peppers, tomatoes, all sorts of things like that. And that's how we're treating our overall garden. So.